Good morning, students. So today we are going to study chapter number 4 in science. Our chapter name is birds and insect. So students, did you know the difference between birds and insect? Okay, let me tell you. So insects have two pairs of wings, whereas birds have one pair of wings. डिड यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ विंग्स यानी कि पर जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके टू पेयर होते हैं विंग्स के, वेयर एज जो बर्ड्स होती हैं उनके सिंगल पेयर होता है विंग का. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट गेट स्टार्टेड विद द चैप्टर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ओपन पेज नंबर 37, चैप्टर 4, बर्ड्स एंड इंसेक्ट. Before starting the chapter, let me tell you some examples of birds and insects. So the examples of birds are sparrow, parrot, hummingbird, peacock and many more. They all are the examples of bird. And let's talk about insects. They are bees, flies, beetles and many more. So they all are the examples of birds and insect. And what are the difference between bird and insects? Insects are having two pair of wings, whereas birds are having single pair of wings. So let's get started with our chapter. You can go through with this page. We will going to start our chapter with the next page, that is page number 38. So the first topic we are going to cover is body parts of bird. The body of a bird consists of head, eyes, beak, feathers, wings, tail and legs. So तो bird की body होती है वो consist करती है head यानी कि सर, eyes यानी कि आँखें, beak. What is beak? Did you know? Beak helps bird to find food as well as to eat it. Beak बोलते हैं हम लोग birds की चोंच को. feather आप लोग जानते ही हैं, जो bird के ऊपर feather लगा हुआ होता है. wings यानी कि उनके पर, tail यानी कि दुम and legs यानी कि उनके पैर. जो birds have a boat shaped body, narrow in front and broad in the middle, which help them fly. तो जो बर्ड की जो शेप होती है वो बोट शेप होती है, नैरो होती है, आगे से पतली होती है, बीच से मिडिल से ब्रॉड होती है, विच हेल्प देम टू फ्लाई, जिससे उनको उड़ने में आसानी रहती है. दे हैव थिन एंड हॉलो बोन्स विच मेक देयर बॉडी वेरी लाइट. दे हैव वेरी हैवी बॉडी, सो दे आर अनेबल टू फ्लाई लाइक एन एलिफेंट. सो स्टूडेंट, इफ एलिफेंट कैन फ्लाई और नो? Yeah, of course no, because firstly he is not having wings, and if he have wings, so he can't able to fly because he don't have very hollow bones. He is very healthy and big, so he can't able to fly. So first we are going to read about feathers. What are feathers? Birds are the only creature that have feather. So the God make bird one and only creature who have feathers. The color of the feather different in various birds. Like some birds look very beautiful because of their brightly colored feature. Have you ever seen peacock? Peacock looks so beautiful because it have very beautiful feathers. Feathers help birds to fly. They also have to keep their bodies warm and protected because bird can't wear dresses, clothes as we wear. So God give them a feathers which help them to cover their bodies, and feather keep them warm. Some birds like ducks and cranes live in water. The feathers of these birds are oily so that their body does not remain wet in water. So जो डक और क्रेन्स हैं इनके जो वेदर्स हैं वो थोड़ी ऑयली होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये मतलब गीली नहीं रह पाते हैं वाटर में. टाइप्स ऑफ feathers. Now first is down feather, body feather and flight feathers. So what are the difference between in three types of feathers? Down feathers, they are soft and fluffy. Body feathers, they cover the bird's body and give it shape. Flight feathers, they are long and are found on the wings and tails of the bird. You can see them in the figure. Down feather, body feather and the flight feather. Now let's talk about beak. Bird do not have teeth. As we all know, bird doesn't have teeth like us. We swallow our food with the help of teeth, but bird doesn't have any kind of teeth, so they have beaks. Different birds have different type of beaks. A bird can have a long or short, broad or narrow, hooked or flat beak. So I have different types of beaks. So let's talk about types of beaks. Proby beak, cracker beak, curved beak, teaser shape beak, soft and broad beak. You can see here. Hummingbird have proby beak, sparrow have cracker beak, parrot have curved beak, poppy have tweezer shaped beak, and swallow have soft and broad beak. Now there is a chisel shaped beak also. It is long, stalk and strangler beak. Trapping at the tip, birds of woodpecker eat insect from under the bark of trees using their beaks. Like you are seeing woodpecker, eagle, duck and kingfisher, they are having chisel shaped beaks. Now we are going to talk about feet and claws. So student, birds have different types of feet depending on whether they live on trees or land or in water, because birds live there are a lots of category in birds. Some live in water, some live on tree and some live on land. So the type of claws depend on the eating habit of the birds. Birds claws grow continuously and got worn out of daily activities. Come on, page number 41. Feet and claws help bird to catch, hold and eat food, walk, swim, climb or sit on the branches of trees, protect themselves from enemies. Type of feet and claws. So they are perching birds, climbing birds, praying birds, water birds. Perching birds example are myna, and you can look at the claws of myna. Climbing birds are woodpecker, and here is the claws of woodpecker. Praying birds are eagle, here is the claws of eagle, and water bird is heron and claws of heron. So you can see the birds and their claws. Now here is ground living birds, those birds who live on ground. Birds like rooster and hens live on the ground. The birds have sharp and hard claws to stretch the ground for seeds and insects. Because ground living birds live on a ground, they are unable to fly or catch any kind of other animals. So their claws and feet are very sharp, so they can able to scratch on the ground in a search of seeds or insects. As an ostrich cannot fly, it's run after its prey to catch. An ostrich feet have 3 toes facing forward, which help it to run. You can see here. Now, how do birds fly? How birds are able to fly? Birds fly with the help of wings for climbs or modify into wings, and hind limbs are modified in upstroke and downstroke movements. So here are the example of upstroke and downstroke movement. As you are seeing this, look at these birds, they are showing the upstroke and downstroke movements. Now we talk about nesting habits of birds. Just as we live in our homes, birds too live in nests with their young ones. As a human beings, we are unable to live on nests, or as a birds, they are unable to live in a homes. So we both are having different livelihood. We live on a homes, and birds live in a nest. So जस्ट एज वी लिव इन आर होम, जैसे कि हम अपने घरों में रहते हैं वैसे कि चिड़िया अपने घोंसलों में रहती हैं अपने यंग वंस के साथ। बर्ड्स बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट यूजिंग लीव्स, स्ट्रिंग्स, मड्स, पेबल्स, कॉटन्स एंड अदर मटेरियल. So there are lots or you can say almost every bird who build their nest themselves. Birds lay egg in nest, वो अंडे देते हैं नेस्ट में. Weaver birds weave their nest from dry grass and twigs. Parent birds look after their young ones. Because the young birds are unable to go and find their food, so their parents take care of them. As I already told you, birds build nests too, so they lay eggs, hatch eggs, protect their eggs and ones from heat, cold and rain, guard their young ones from enemies and look after they are ready to fly. Now we talk about type of nests. Birds may build nests in old building, trees, ventilators, rooftops or in bushes. Some birds like the pileated build the nest on the ground, whereas other like the owl build their nest in the hollow of trees or walls. Birds make their nest warm and cozy for their young one. Migration of birds. What do you mean by the word migration? To move from one place to another is called migration. In extremely cold places, birds are sometimes unable to find food and water during the winter season. Many of these birds then fly to places with a warmer climate. During this time, they return to their original place after the winter season ends. The journey of bird from one place to another is called migration. Okay, class? Now finally we are going to talk about insects. There are many different type of insects all around us. You are able to see a lots of insects as well as birds too in your surrounding. They are not any kind of new thing. You all are aware about insects and birds. Bees, flies and beetles are insects. The body of an adult insect can be divided into three parts: the head, the middle part called the thorax, and the abdomen. Insects have two large eyes and three pairs of legs. That means 6 legs. One side is having 3 legs and the other side is having 3. So the total legs are 6. Joined to the thorax. You can see here eyes, antenna, head, thorax, wings, abdomen, legs. They all are the parts of an insect body. Insects have a very strong sense of smells. They have very strong sense of smell. They smell and feel using feelers or antennae present on their heads. Insects such as ants and honeybees live together in group of colonies. They are called social insects. Ants. If there is something lying on the floor and a ant is there, so you can able to see for a few seconds the whole of ants have come there. Some insects are harmful to people. Such insects are known as pests. Pests harm or destroy plants. They spread disease in human beings and animals and furniture. So now keywords: slender, relatively thin, swiftly, quickly. Prey, an animal which is eaten by another animal. Special type of clones of praying birds. Twins are thin woody stem of a tree or shrub. Cozy means comfortable. So student, your chapter number 4 is completed here. Still, if you are having any kind of queries, you can ask about it without any hesitation, and I will catch you in your next class. Till then, thank you class.